In this video, I'll show you how you can speak to someone at Shopify. Now, once you're on Shopify, you can head over to your admin dashboard by going to admin.shopify.com. In here, click on My Store, and there will be one called Help Center. So click on Help Center, and you'll head over to the Shopify Help Center. Now, if you want to speak to an AI, you can do it here, or you can click on any of these forums. But if you have one specific problem and you want to talk to a real person at Shopify, what you can do is scroll down until you find this page. Press on Contact Support, and it will be here. We can connect you to a support advisor. So just say that I want to be connected to the support advisor, and it's going to connect you to a real person. So that is how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.